Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers. We're here at the Pokemon Team Up pre-release at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne, in Phoenix, Arizona. You see Devin back there waving. You might remember him from our last pre-release. Devin and friends. Somebody just pulled two promos out of one pack. Can't quite see it. There you go. See those? Check those out. 2 in 1 pack. So it can be done. Anyway. Oh, we got Jirachi in our pack. Let's see what we get. Pokemon pre-release. Team Up. Looking for those GX and yeah. So we're going to be doing a video specifically for Johnny Bravo, one of our subscribers, and we're going to be giving away the codes in a special video dedicated to Johnny Bravo. So here we go. Here's our first energy.
Yeah, that's
Nidorina, Kakuna. Ooh, we got the buff padding. Check that one out. That one's going to get some play. Tentacool, Grimer, Pidgey, Dratini, Ponyard, Paras, Reverse Hollow, and Starmine. Check that out. Very cool. Alright, next pack. Oops. Whoops. Alright. Charmeleon. Let's see if we can get this to focus. There we go. Unidentified fossil. Farfetch'd. Haven't seen that one. Styru. Litten. Zura. Weedle. Joltik. Ooh, we got the Grass Memory Trainer Reverse Hollow. Check that out. And what do we have here? Alolan Muck. Haven't seen that one either. That one's super cool. Trippy artwork. Alright. Next pack. Alright, here at the Pokemon pre-release. There's our energy. Oh, let's let this focus. There we go. We got Doublade, Tentacruel, Return Label, Weedle, Hello Petal, Execute, very nice, Ferroseed, Meowth, Tentacool Reverse Hollow, and an Alolan Executor. Very cool. Alright, last pack. Last pack. And then we will open the Jirachi Team Up card as well. Energy, buff padding. Kabuto. Fairy Charm, Alolan Geodude, Paras, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle, Aerodactyl, and Parasect. Alright, and then inside of this we have the Jirachi Team Up. Alright, so there's Jirachi. Maybe. There we go. Tate and Liz. Pokemon Communication, Copycat, Switch, Farfetch'd, Molaga, Blitzel, Zerbstrika, Jasmine, Pokemon Communication, Khalil, Cynthia, There's the escape board. Everybody's looking for that skateboard to escape on. Far-fetched. Poniard, Bisharp. All right.
What you want to do with this is you want to separate it by colors, so that way you know what you're going to play. It's a 40-card deck you're going to build together. And
Okay.
All the energies you need, we have them at the front.
All right, so we're going to build a 40-card deck right now, and then we're going to get started with the pre-release party. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. We'll see you next time, guys, here on the Box Breakers. We're out.